Hello everybody and welcome back. We are here right now in Magic Kingdom where the trams are, and there's actually no temperature screening, if you can see. They are done with that now. Still no mask on, as you can see. And I want to say right now, I actually got the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod. So it is the mic that you can attach the light mod and then the camera mod onto it. So I'm really excited to get those two things, but I'm super happy to finally have the mic. Today will be the first day I use it, and it is raining and it is windy, so the wind resistance is going to be put up to the test today. Now back to the rain. Alright, through security, and well, I don't know what I'm taking, monorails or ferry, don't know quite yet. Never take buses. I mean, that's just, I'm saying, I never take buses. Like, I don't know why, it's just a habit not to take buses. Let me know how the audio is coming out today with the new mic that I have. There's like no one at the ferry and there's no one at the monorail. It's like everyone left for the rain. Park's open to 9. That means we have all night to explore. I'll probably hit the people mover if it does not break down on my way, and I hope not, because it opened up. It literally opened the day before I went to Magic Kingdom, and I was so upset that I could not go on it for the first day of reopening. But I'm going to try to go on it now. I'm going to try to go on Haunted Mansion because I'm wearing the Haunted Mansion shirt. Not wearing the hat because I don't want it to get all soaked and ruined. Sadly, as of now, the people mover is temporarily closed, and it says that people were evacuated. So I'm gonna guess that it broke down. Hopefully it'll open back up. We're gonna go on Jungle Cruise because, I mean, who doesn't like Jungle Cruise, right? But would you look at this?
Job like that.
Yeah. The world famous castle. I really do enjoy the decoration. I think it's nice that they finally decorated, and the ribbons. The ribbons look a lot better than the 25th anniversary when they made a birthday cake out of the castle. That was really crazy. The ground is really slippery. I almost fell twice now. Once on the monorail ramp when I was coming off, and here. I'm wearing Crocs. I always wear Crocs, and I'm happy I'm wearing Crocs because I don't have to worry about the rain. I mean, there's a puddle, I just step in it. My feet get cold, but they'll dry quickly compared to normal shoes where it'll take a long time because they're all made out of cotton. Wonder when Casey Corner is going to open back up. I really enjoyed their food there. Their hot dogs were always good. And then the chili cheese hot dogs, foot-long hot dogs. Always got Starbucks, all 4 parks. All right, Jungle Cruise is that way, or that way, Adventureland. And there's still thunder, and lightning. I saw a flash of lightning. Sorry to say it, but I am not waiting 40 minutes for Jungle Cruise, which I know I can come back. No doubt about it, I will be back very soon, I'm gonna guess. We're gonna have a people mover. It just opened back up. So we're gonna try to hop on it before the lines get too long, and then I'll probably grab my dessert. That orange cream soda, the Orange Bird cream at the Orange Bird restaurant, looked really good. I mean, it's probably just an orange cream soda, but that swirl looks really good. So I'm probably gonna get that for my dessert. Plus, I'm really hot, so ice cream will feel real good, wouldn't it? Still, be careful. Do not run. Do not brake. It will slip. People mover, and it stopped. I hope it starts back up. The jet thingy stopped. Man, I haven't been up here for over a year. Long time no see, friend. stop. Alright, let's hop in. First time in who knows how long.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
So we stopped. Oh darn. Don't want that to happen. Stay on lights. Right now we're right next to Buzz. Buzz is like right there. We are at the front, so we're not at the back. We are going. Well, the People Movers is always a great ride. I mean, it did stop there for a sec. That was a little nerve-wracking, but it's kind of actually, it made me a little bit happy because if it did break down, we would have to go on the evacuation route, and that'd be a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you would never see. But we're off now. I'm gonna head over to a few shops to shop, and see if they have a few things, and then maybe go on Buzz. But it is starting to downpour again. Super quick. I think this is one of the first times they're going to come through and they have the construct or the refurbishment all the way complete. We got all these new walls here. Frankly, I don't understand what the walls have to do. I guess just to divide it up. There's my score. 820,000. I'm not quite a galactic hero.
Check the status board to review your score. And remember, to infinity.
This is my second highest score ever. See, so I'm a cosmic commando. Wow, pretty good, pretty good. It's sun rain, which, you know what sun rain causes? Rainbow. But look how it's really funny. It's just this one spot of sun right here while it's raining. And it is not light rain, let me tell you that. It is good heavy rain. They cover up the mic there. It is bright. Like, really bright. Like glasses type bright, but then I'm gonna walk away from it. It means that it's just a great, big, beautiful today. That's all that means. I think we're gonna head over and get that orange creamsicle that I've been wanting. The orange creamsicle float at Orangeburg. Because I'm still really hot. It was really fun riding the People Mover. As you saw, my score on Buzz was 820,000. That was the second best I've ever done. The first best was getting Galactic Hero. I was a Galactic Commando this time. Felt pretty good. If you guys want, leave a like and put a comment that you guys want Buzz video. I'll write hashtag Buzz and I will make a video of riding Buzz of what you guys should hit. Because some things give you up to 500,000 points. Look at this. We're on, right? Watch this. That one doesn't work. Let's try this one. Alright. They were not on before. Like, I don't, that's interesting. Maybe they're bringing back fast passes, Fast passes, Well, we'll just have to wait and see, right? We're back in Jungle Cruise. We're going to try to get through the line this time. It seems to be moving. I don't know what happened last time, but it was this dead standstill, so let's hope that we get a good skipper this time, right? Yeah. So the main reason I'm going on Jungle Cruise today is because they have been refurbishing the entire ride, and they have added the new Rino area, which is based off of SEA. If anyone knows what SEA stands for, let me know, because I really don't know what it means, but that's what they're going based off of now. So it's new people that are getting hit by the rhinos, and today is the first day that they open it, so we will be one of the first people to encounter it. That's really exciting. It's probably the main reason of this video, actually. Come on Jungle Cruise for the new thing. And we'll come on Jungle Cruise for all the new additions that they add. Because they have a lot more to do. They've taken out a lot and they're refurbishing a lot.
Be a zebra, ever. It's not a good idea. And if you look up ahead on the right side here, you guys, you may see something, but I see nothing. Yeah, because if I see something, I'm going to have to do a lot of paperwork. That's just something I don't have time for. Yeah. And that's why we tell you all to keep your hands on feet like this. We're going into headhunter territory now. I only know because I can hear the drums. And just keep your eyes out. They could be anywhere, you guys. They could be behind this tarp right here. They could be in the grass over here, in the bushes. They could be behind that tarp over there. Yeah, just keep your eyes peeled, dude.
So here's another part where they're covering up. That's all new.
And I actually did.
So I just showed you all the new things that they had, or the things that they're working on. So anything that was netted and there was something behind it, like the fences or something, that means that there's something being built behind there. Then the first thing with the rhino and the people climbing up, that was the new extension. So that's what it looks like. There's different cultures of people, and the rhino, I think it's a black rhino now, not a white rhino. But that was actually kind of cool to see a different thing. And I'm excited to see what it looks like once everything is done and refurbished. It's getting dark now, isn't it? And I can't tell if I like it dark or if I like it with light. I like it dark because it has all the lights, but I also like it light so I can see everything. Which one do you guys like? I think I'm gonna start leaning more towards dark because everything lights up then. I'll have to go on the Liberty Bell again. I've been on it once. It was a nice little tour. I'm really waiting for the freaking train to open up. That's like the thing I am excited for. When the train opens up, I am going on it. Like, I don't care if there's school or not. I am going on it. Let's go on Haunted Mansion before the park closes. It is 8:36 and the park closes at 9. Something smells. Oh, it's the popcorn. Oh, I want popcorn now. Memento Mori always has some really cool stuff in it. It's Haunted Mansion's shop, and it has a lot of cool Haunted Mansion stuff in there. That's actually where I got my hat. I got it on the last day of Sorcerers for my reward of getting all 3 levels complete and becoming a Master Sorcerers. That took, I think, like 3 weeks to complete the entire 3 levels. But that's also because everyone was trying to complete it too, you know? So the lines were ridiculously long. And the 3rd level was a lot harder to complete than the 1st level, so it took a long time. But I did it. And it's over. But hopefully they'll add something soon. And there is Haunted Mansion right there. I had time for just one more ride and I did Peter Pan real quickly. That'll end off the night for tonight. I really will miss leaving, but I know we all gotta leave eventually. I will be back. I know I will be back. No doubt, sad. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are informed when there is new and awesome videos just like this one. As always, I will see you real soon. So have a magical night and enjoy the castle.